Meaning of franchising.
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 Franchising. Franchising refers to a business model in which one party, the franchisor, grants the right to use its trademark or trade name to another party, the franchisee, in exchange for a fee and ongoing royalties. The franchisee is then able to operate a business using the franchisor's established business model, including marketing, operations, and branding. Franchising can provide benefits to both parties, including reduced risk for the franchisee and expansion opportunities for the franchisor. Overall, it is a popular business strategy that has been used by many successful companies to grow their brands,